Yaqing River, the mother river of Shachi County, seems peaceful, but it once flooded more often than any other river in Xinjiang. Next to Yaqing River Bridge, factory machinery rolls as empty white plastic buckets roll out. Owner Utkuo Abolimit, 28, named the factory bright building materials, and its annual sales of about 3 million yuan did not disappoint him. The young entrepreneur links his business success to a period of study, but not at the university he attended for 4 years. He is most thankful for the period he spent at a local vocational education and training center, an institution that offers classes in standard spoken and written Mandarin, legal knowledge, vocational skills, and radicalization.
当时我身边的朋友和我的家人都发现我思想上有些不对，就是有些做出的行为有些过分，所以他们就劝说我到线上的教培学校。我当时抱着尝试的一种心理自己过去了。现在回想的话，当时的那个决定是非常正确的。
Though educated, Utkuo was still confused by the spread of extremist thoughts. The Vocational Education Center not only freed Utkuo from religious extremism, but also offered him a new career and life path.
当时在学校学了一些电商方面的知识嘛，现在做着生意，我在网上也挂了一些自己的产品，我们的有些客户都是通过网络上的那个平台渠道认识的，而且我在学校里面开了个商店，在那商店里面我有2个员工，一个是女生，一个是男生，刚好我跟那个女生产生了一段恋情就是找到了彼此，然后我们就在学校里面举行了婚礼，就在那儿找到了我的另一半，现在我们已经有了孩子，生活非常的幸福。
The Vocational Education Center is one way that Xinjiang approaches anti-terrorism and radicalization, whose trainees all graduated by the end of 2019. Today, the people of Shachi live and work happily, but not so long ago, violence and fear threatened the community. From 1990 to the end of 2016, separatist, terrorist, and extremist forces launched thousands of terrorist attacks in Xinjiang. On July 28, 2014, there was a violent terrorist incident in Ali-Shihu town, about 30 kilometers away from Utkuo's home. 37 innocent people died. Zhang Lihua, from northeast China, lost her husband, the main family breadwinner, to the attackers.
当时我躲在车里特别的害怕，也不敢动，也不敢哭，更不敢下车，听见暴恐分子的喊叫声，还有车轮胎的爆炸声。经过3个多小时，武警把我从车上救了下来。当我从车上下来的时候，看见我老公他们就在车的另一面躺着，都躺在血泊当中。我哭着跑向我老公的时候，拉着他的手，手都是凉的，身体都已经硬了。
After the attack, the Public Security Department took immediate emergency action. Nur Mehmet Udbo, head of the town, was one of the police officers on the front line.
当时这个将近200来号暴徒在我们前方，200米处挟持我们的干部，然后使用的是这个冷兵器，同时他们手上有自制的爆炸装置，以这个威胁我们这边的处置人员，要求给他们给出路。当时我们的公安干警在这边进行一个这个政策的宣传，要求他们放下屠刀，争取党和政府的宽大处理。但是这些人员始终不听于劝告，当着我们的面残忍地杀害我们的干部。
To this day, Every time he passes the intersection where the incident took place, Nurmamad says it replays in his mind. The former police station still has bullet holes and impact marks. Nurmamad, too, has scars from that day.
这个中央和自治区提出来的这个对于维稳工作这个组火线是非常适合我们新疆当时的情形的。为什么呢？因为当时的群众被这个极端宗教所裹挟，文化素质不高，过着暗无这个天日的日子，在这个极端宗教的强迫下，这个不能唱，不能跳，也不能为自己的幸福去努力，导致这个社会面进入到了一种非常这个可怕的一个境地。但是通过这个一系列的维稳组合拳以及这个中央的治疆方略以后，对我们新疆这块，尤其是对这个当地的稳定起到了非常好的作用。
The hard-won peace in Shatila County is a microcosm of Xinjiang society from being in chaos to being under good governance. The last terrorist incident in Xinjiang was in December 2017.
我们结合新疆的实际，依照法律法规呢，在新疆呢依法开展了反恐怖和去中化的这个专项工作。可以说呢，这个通过这一段时间的这些措施以后啊，可以说呢，群众免遭这些这个宗教极端和这个暴力恐怖的这个残害啊。可以说呢，群众呢也对这个辨别这个宗教极端和暴力恐怖的这个免疫力，或者在辨别力上呢，都有了显著的转变。
Globally, a safe and stable society is the foundation of economic development, and is also the guarantee for ordinary people like Utbo to achieve a better life.
事业方面的话，想扩大自己的经营，想挣更多的钱，同时帮更多的人实现就业。生活方面的话，我想再生几个孩子。生个2胎3胎，给他们提供好一点的家庭环境，让他们好好上学，长大不管做什么都在社会上做一个有用的人。就是我自己个人的话，我觉得一个人就是需要不断的学习，我会不断的学习自己感兴趣的和跟自己的事业有关的知识，